Hello, 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 hello. Nice to meet you, nice to meet you. Say hello, 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 hello. Nice to meet you, nice to meet you. Say hello. Can you sing with me? We sing it one more time. Say it, we go. Hello, 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 hello. Nice to meet you, nice to meet you. Say hello, 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 hello. Nice to meet you, nice to meet you. Say hello. Hello, my friends. How are you? Nice to see you again. Nice to meet you again. Today, we are going to learn sound. Guess it, guess it, guess it. Sound what? Right, you're right. We are going to learn sound. Ah, sound what? Ah, sound what? Ah, say it again. Very good. Say it one more time. Wow, that is sound ah. Do you know how to write sound ah? Yes. Do you know how they write sound ah? Now, listen. Listen. This is how to write sound ah. First, you draw a circle. You say circle. Say it again. Circle. Then, after drawing a very beautiful circle, as you're seeing it here, you put a standing stick, a short standing stick. A short standing stick. That is sound what? Ah. Are you seeing sound ah? Yes. This is sound ah. Let us read together. You repeat after me. Say sound ah. Say it again. Sound. Very good. Say it again. Sound. One more time. Sound. Louder. Say it again. Sound. Wonderful. Let me clap for you. Very good. That is sound ah. That is sound what? Ah. Now, listen. Listen to the story for sound ah. Once upon a time, good. There lived a family. There lived a family. That family went for a picnic in a park. They went for a picnic in a wonderful. So when they reached there, they spread their cloth and sat on it. After they started feeling something, the children started feeling something tickling them, tickling, 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 tickling. When they turned their eyes to look at what is tickling them, they saw the ants. They saw the ants walking on their arms. They said, ah! They shouted, ah! They shouted what? Ah! They shouted what? Ah! They wanted to remove the ants off from their hands. That's why they shouted, ah! 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 Shout again like those children. You say, ah! 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 We say it one more time. Ah! 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 Wonderful. You're so good, children. Now, after learning sound ah from the tickling ants, after learning sound ah, now we are going to sing the song for sound ah. The song for sound ah. The song for sound ah. But before we sing the song for sound ah, whenever you're reading sound ah, you have to do like this. This is the action for sound ah. Repeat after me. Sound what? Ah. Sound what again? Ah. Turn this side and say, ah. Again, ah. Now it's your turn. Sound what? One more time. Say it again. Very good. That is sound ah. Now you sing with me the song for sound ah. Put your hand here. You sing with me and you say ah, ah. Answer my arm, ah, ah. Answer my arm, ah, ah. Answer my arm, they are causing me alarm. Ah, that is sounding. Ah, that is sound what? Ah. We said this is sound what? Ah. Very good. We said this is sound what again, children? Ah. Wonderful. Now we are going to look at the words for sound ah. The words for sound? The words for sound? Very good, wonderful. Now, the first word for sound ah is going to be axe. Everyone say axe. Everyone say axe. Very good. The axe is for sound ah. The axe is for sound ah. The axe is for sound. Very good. Then the next word for sound ah is going to be apple. Everyone say apple. Everyone say it again. Apple. This word says what? Apple. Wonderful. The next word or the next picture for sound ah is going to be arm. Say arm. Everyone say arm. Again. Arm. Louder. Say the word arm. So now we have the axe, we have the apple, we have the arm. One more word, one more picture remaining. One more picture remaining for the tickling, 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 tickling. Yes, you're right. That's ant. That's what? Ant. Very good. This word says ant. Okay, now we are going to try to blend them. We are going to try to blend them. We are going to blend ant and arm.